Look at those beautiful sunflowers. So pretty. Let's check this one that is within my reach. Lovely thing. I need to deadhead these Rebecca flowers. Where's that ripe one that I have seen? I use this variety of peppers in few of my Chinese dishes. Is this natural of the shishito peppers to shrink or wrinkle? Chocolate peppers. Sweet banana peppers. Red peppers. Orange. The beans are small because we're already in the triple digit. It's quite hot. The cucumber plants have stopped producing because it's so hot. Was are of the winter varieties. So I have waited for the skin to harden up. This morning the honeydews are not ready to harvest, so let's check. The color is yellow, which is a good indication that it's ripe. Another one, when you press this one, it's soft, which it is, and you see the color there, it has changed to like orange yellow. Another good indication that it's ripe. And this one also supposedly yellow, mostly yellow. This area only is the green one. I'm going to harvest this because I think this is ripe. The other one is still green. The edge of this round thing, you see that, still green. So that's not ripe and it's hard. That area there is green also. Soft, juicy, not mushy. Let's taste it. The taste is between honeydew and cantaloupe.